kids, welcome back to Mini Mathematician. Today we are going to learn what subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping means. When we subtract, we always subtract the lower number from the upper number. Sometimes the upper number is smaller than the lower number. First, look at the ones place. We cannot subtract 7 from 5, so we regroup from the next place value. We take 110 from the tens place. 110 equals 10 ones. Now the 5 ones become 15 ones and the tens place changes from 7 tens to 6 tens. Now that we regrouped, we can subtract easily. Watch part 2 to solve subtraction examples. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mini Mathematician. Bye bye kids.